Hey, this is Randy from Porsche Colorado Springs. Here's our 2026 Porsche 911 Carrera S Cabriolet. As you can see, it's in white. It's over a beige and black interior. Really nice overall condition. It does have paint protection film covering the entire front of the car. It has a black top. Unique about this is that it is a 7-speed manual. So you get the open air experience with a manual transmission. Doesn't get a whole lot better than that. These tires are Michelin Sport Pilot Sport 4s. They all have date codes of being made in 2022. One has except for one, which is this front passenger side tire that has a date code of 2023. Overall, in nice condition outside. I do notice a couple things that I'll point out here. There's a little bit of a scuffing in the paint protection film down here. Looks like it's mostly in the paint protection film, but overall this is in nice condition. Of course, there is a little bit of scuffing here, but that again is in the paint protection film. The rear quarter panels, just a little bit, if you can see it on the camera. A little bit of road rash, but nothing that's deep into it, more just a little bit of discoloration on this side and the other side as well. Did notice a very small little blemish here. Looks like something may have come down in that area there, but aside from those small things, this is all overall in great condition. The rear screen is up, as you can see. That's nicely done. And then back here, this beige interior is in really great shape. Front seats, very minimal bolstering. These have the shape of the 18-way seats, so you get additional bolstering up by your shoulders and down around your hips and thighs. However, these are a combination of both manual and electric adjustment. You have the electric adjustment down here for your backrest and raising and lowering the bottom of the seat. There is a manual adjustment down on the floor for moving it fore and aft. As we get in, we can see that it has the BOSE sound system. Nice deviated stitching. Contrasting in beige as well. We do have Sport Chrono. And as it sits, 21,752 miles. Starts right up. This will come with a Porsche certified pre-owned warranty for at least 2 years from the date of purchase, as well as unlimited miles. Coming down here, we can see that we have both heated and ventilated seats for both driver and passenger. Down here again, the 7-speed manual. Here's our buttons for Sport and Sport Plus mode. PASM settings, so you can either stiffen or soften up the shock settings. Just a really, really nice example. If you are in the market for a 911 Cabriolet with a manual, this might be the one. Reach out. Randy Wade at Porsche Colorado Springs. My mobile number is 224-770-1060. That's 224-770-1060. Thanks for watching.